Every time someone sneezes, the phrase, "bless you," slips out, but why? The tradition started hundreds of years ago when people feared sneezing meant illness or evil spirits leaving the body. Saying, "bless you," was meant to protect the person from harm. Others believed the heart stopped briefly during a sneeze and blessings kept it safe. Even though science has moved on, the habit stayed. It's one of the oldest social customs still alive today. A sneeze lasts a second, but the kindness it triggers lasts longer. Words became protection, and now they're just care in disguise.